Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. Good to be back with you after my illness. Not fully recovered yet, but I'm getting there. I did a small live stream earlier just to get back in the swing, and figured that I would just do a quick little yarn haul with you just to kind of get back in the swing as well, because I've not made a video for a little while, and I'm well aware of the fact that I owe you part 2 of my gift bag stroke hot water bottle cover, which I'll do within the next few days. I also owe you part 3 of my crochet along granny square blanket, and I'll be doing that too, as well as winners videos, and I've got another giveaway to do. So I also have Christmas stocking tutorial to do, because I promised that, and I also have a few pairs of fingerless gloves that I've designed while I've been ill. So lots to do. So I thought I might make a start with a nice little yarn haul that I've got. So I didn't have very much chunky yarn. I only had the chunky that I bought from Poundland, which you've all seen. So I did have some before from Poundstretcher and B&M, and they were nice yarns, and I figured it's about time. It's like winter here, so I need to go out and get some nice warm yarn to make some bits and pieces with. So I went to see what they had, and I was quite surprised. They had lots of really nice yarns that I love in, and I've had some of these before and I may have shown them to you. Now I've got my specs with me, but apart from the fact there's only 1 or 2 here that will show you yardage, none of these yarns actually do. It's a bit annoying, and I don't know why they don't, but it's not on the label anywhere. I've scoured it. Now this one is called Chunky Stripe. I absolutely love this. It's really, really soft, and all I can tell you is that they're 100 grams, because it doesn't tell you anything, excuse me, it doesn't tell you anything about the yardage. 100% acrylic, but very, very soft. It's as soft as premium acrylic, I think. And I got 1, 2, 3 of those. I absolutely love that colour, really do. And I have used these before. They don't have them in very often, and I got 4 of these, and I love this because if you, I don't know if you can see it, there is one that you can see it on, I believe. Might be this one. If not, I'll find it. I have 4 of them. Now in here, right deep inside, there is a really beautiful deep violet colour. So they've got absolutely gorgeous colours on them. They've got pinks, greys and mauves, but where there is this really kind of lovely violet colour. It's really, really nice, and it's so, so soft. Again, no yardage on this at all, but this is just called the Chunky Colour Blend, and I've got 4 of those, 400 grams. They only had 1 of this particular colourway, and this is the Chunky Colour Blend as well. Now I've got some somewhere when I had in storage, but I don't know where. But this is my absolute favourite that they do, and I managed to get 4 of these. I was quite happy with that, because I really, really love this one. It's my favourite of all of their yarns. It's really, really soft, and it's just one of the colour blends, and absolutely lovely. Now the only thing I would say is they say chunky, which in the US is a bulky 5. And I don't know about you, but that does seem really fat, because sometimes a chunky doesn't look really that fat, and it's quite fluffy, you know, quite hairy, if you like. So that tends to make things a little bit more bushy. But, you know, it says it's a chunky in the UK, which is a bulky 5. Sorry, it keeps catching me by surprise. And I also have 2 of the Chunky Ombre. I really love these colours. I love the fact that they've got all these lovely pinks and purples, and then a gold. just gold appears in it. It actually does crochet up and knit up lovely, this. Now, this one is 12% wool. It's still really, really, really soft, but it is lovely, absolutely lovely. Again, look how thick that is, and it says chunky, so that's saying it's a 5. I'm not absolutely convinced, but that's what they say. And I have one of this particular colour scheme, which is lovely. I love the blues, but they only had the one, which is sad, but I'm hoping they'll get some more in, because I really do love the blues, and it on its own, not really a great deal you can make with just the one. Now, I'm not sure if I showed this in my live, and my camera does not pick this up as true as it is in the flesh, but this is the King Cole glitz, and although the glitz is showing up as silver, it's not, it's red. So, and there is an awful lot of it. I don't know if I can get the camera to show you just how much glitz. You see, it is quite, you can see it now. It's there's an awful lot in there, but it is an absolutely vivid red. It's not the colour you're seeing. Now this is called Cherry, 100-gram ball, and because it's King Cole, I will be able to tell you that it's 97% premium acrylic and 3% polyester, 317 yards and 290 meters, but it is absolutely gorgeous, so squishy and absolutely beautiful, vivid and bright. So I've made a set of fingerless gloves with this, and I'm going to maybe do a little scarf to go with it, or something, but it is beautiful. I absolutely love it. Now, I'm really pleased with this as well, because as I say, I love blues, and I wanted one that was like a real vivid petrol blue. I managed to find this. It's called Royal, and it is Stylecraft yarn, 100-gram ball. But I've had Stylecraft before, but it's been DK, and this is Aran, and I've always wanted to use their Aran, but it is so soft, absolutely gorgeous, really, really soft, and I'm looking forward to using it. But I've only got 2, so 200 grams, but it's premium acrylic, that's why it's really soft. So I may have to try and get myself some more. Maybe I should have just bought 3. But with this you get 196 meters, 214 yards. But it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So that's what I've got so far anyway in my little haul, and I love it. I just don't see this as a chunky. That has got to be a super chunky, like a super bulky weight. Look at that. It's like a rope, for goodness sake. That's just no way a chunky. Oh well. It's what it says. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I will be back soon with winners videos, another giveaway, and and my tutorials. So thanks for watching. Sorry I've been gone a little while, but I was determined to battle back and to get back in the saddle. Let's take those off. Vain that I am. I don't like those glasses. They really pinch my nose. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. So thank you. Bye-bye for now. And oh, by the way, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And I will see you again soon. Bye for now.